Welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club. And today we are going to be learning how to draw bacon head.
Bacon hair, a Roblox drawing.
A Roblox
Very easy
character.
step-by-step drawing of bacon hair from Roblox.
Yeah, he's just a normal character when you sign up into Roblox.
All that we need is a black sketch pen, a white paper, and some colors.
Yeah.
Let's start.
First, let's start with the face,
What do we start with?
the eyes.
No, let's start with the body.
Okay, yeah, that's actually easy.
First. Okay. Straight line here.
And there, then there, then there, then there, and there, and there. Then you do this, and you put one zip,
Easy.
and one more zip, and then this,
A straight line. Another straight line.
and then this. And then
Okay.
this, and then this,
Okay. The neck. So that's the body of it done. Now let's do the face. The eyes.
Wait.
You already made the hands also. And you're asking me to wait. The hairs.
The hairs are a little difficult, but are kind of easy as well.
Okay. The hairs are done. Time for the hands.
Which I've already made.
The left hand. Weird hands.
Well, you should name your fingers.
And now the legs.
This doesn't look like bacon hair. What?
What are you doing?
I made the sleeves.
Okay, thank you. And we're done. Let's quickly color it. We need the sky blue color.
I'll not use.
That's done. The trousers with green color.
Oh, you're using the wrong type of green. You should have used this green. Look. Look.
This is done. Now I need the grey color to color the sleeves.
You just colored his arm.
Yeah, I wanted to color the arms and the fingers.
Well, bacon head doesn't.
This is done. Now we color using the orange color. The bacon's hair.
Can we dark brown first?
And what we do is we use the grey color to make some lines. The hair strands. Yeah, and we are done. This was a very easy drawing of bacon hair from
But why
Roblox.
didn't you color the t-shirt?
I don't need to, it's white. Oh, it's what color is that?
Black.
Is that a grey color or a black
Black.
color?
Black color.
No, it's dark grey.
You have to listen to me sometimes because I have that bacon head character. That's why you shouldn't have done the hand sentence.
I'll make it look dark. No problem.
But anyway, I'm using the dark.
Oh, do we have that one?
No.
Yeah, then I'll also be using that.
Just sprinkle a little bit of black on this.
How do I sprinkle?
Yeah, like this. That's me.
It's okay, I'll do that.
Hey, that kind of looks like black. Why did you color the hand?
My mistake.
Oh, you have to color the inside of that, okay?
And we are done. Wow, this was a very easy drawing of bacon
You
hair.
missed on the line.
I hope you like
You
it.
missed on the line.
It's
You have to
okay.
color that. Not look like bacon head. Look like bacon head.
Done. Are we done?
No.
Yes, we are.
That is dark here.
No, we are done.
No, we're not done. We're done. You are so. Why did you do that? That's not the color of bacon head.
Bring it closer. It goes out of the camera. Yeah. So if you have been following us till now, if you have not yet liked the channel video and hit on the subscribe button, do it now. I'm waiting for it. Hit on that subscribe button right now and add a comment below whether you like the video or you did not or what you want us to draw next, and we will draw the very same video the next time we come and we feature your channel, your video, your drawings.
If
in
you
our
have
next
a
video.
channel.
Yeah, if you have a channel, obviously.
And this need to sprinkle a little bit of black. This is how you sprinkle.
Okay, so we are done with this drawing. Parijit is also done.
Yeah.
Ta-da! See you in the next drawing. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.